Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So I've shared a couple of sorghum recipes on my channel, and today I want to share with you how you can make your own sorghum flour. So stay with me. To make sorghum flour, you need whole sorghum, okay? And you can find it. It's called jua, right? And it's also called Indian millet, right? Or great millet. But then you can find the flour, right? So what you do is you wash it before you turn it into flour. Make sure you wash it. It's nicely packaged, and you'll be tempted to think that it's not dirty. It is indeed very dirty. It's got a lot of sand in it. So here, you can clearly see a lot of sand in it. So I washed it about 5 to 6 times before I was convinced that it was clean enough for me to proceed. Okay, so wash it as much as you can until you don't see any sand or debris, right? So I drain all the water and I get a tray, put in some kitchen towels and spread the grains on it. Okay, so you spread it all like out and you leave it to air dry. Okay, it dries very quickly. You don't need to, you can set it in the sun for like 1 hour and it will dry up. It dries quickly. I didn't have the sun, but I just set it on my kitchen counter, and by evening time it was like dried. I was like, really? Seriously? Yeah. But before then I use some kitchen towel, okay, to try and sort of like, pat it down as you saw me do previously. So I've saved some of it for another recipe, and here I'm going to grind it. So what I will do is I'll put it in my blender, grind it, and then sieve it, and then grind it again, because after sieving it, I've got more rough flour. So I sieve it, and then after some point I can't sieve anymore, so I just throw it out, and then your flour is ready. Okay, so I'll tell you a few benefits of sorghum. So one of the most prominent macronutrients in sorghum is iron. Okay, there's potassium, there's thiamine, and more. It helps with bone formation, so it's very good for babies. Okay, so other potential health benefits are anti-inflammatory benefits, anti-cancer effects, weight loss. So the starches in sorghum are difficult for the human body to digest compared to other grains. So as a result, sorghum is an excellent addition to any meal, helping you feel fuller without contributing too much or too many calories to your diet. So because sorghum is a grass, it's known to produce an allergic reaction in some people. So you watch out for that. Okay. Sorghum is also rich in the B vitamins, okay, and it also has thiamine in it, and the B vitamins and the thiamine together helps cure alcoholics. So it's what they give to recovering alcoholics. Okay, so and when you feed them with sorghum, then it reduces the turkey. It's has the potential of reducing the turkey. You know the turkey. All right, so I'm going to list all the benefits in the description box for you. Okay, I sourced all of them from the internet. I do not have any prior knowledge of any of these things, right? So you can do your own research to authenticate all this, right? Yeah, but then I finished blending everything or grinding everything, and it's all nice and ready for me to pack and use at a later date. So you can use it for your banku, for your cocoa. I have some nice cocoa be coming your way. Okay, like Charlie, the sorghum recipes we are on for it. Just say we are on for it. Grab for men. Just say we are on. Yeah, be yeah. Ready, right? So yeah, thank you. Oh, and one important fact about sorghum: it is gluten-free. Gluten-free. Yeah. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it very useful, and you give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.